Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the part 55 of the NEET quiz important questions, and today we'll discuss the questions of the topic anal canal. So first try to answer the questions by yourself. What is the length of the anal canal? So it is about 3.8 centimeters. Column of Morgagni are seen in upper part of the anal canal. Describe the columns of the Morgagni. So column Morgagni are permanent longitudinal mucus folds, and they are 6 to 10 in number, and they are prominent in the children. What is the location of the anal valve? They are located in the junction of the upper and the middle part. The upper surface is lined by the columnar epithelium, and the anal valve are located above the dentate line or the pectinate line. The column of Morgagni, valve of Ball, anal glands and the sinuses are the features of which part of anal canal? So, upper part of anal canal. Describe the area of pecten. So, area of pecten is the middle 15 mm area of the anal canal. It is present between the pectinate and the Hilton's line. It is lined by non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. The area of the anal canal superior to the pectinate line is developed from the endoderm. The area of the anal canal superior to the pectinate line is supplied by which artery? It is supplied by superior rectal artery. Area of the anal canal superior to the pectinate line drains into the portal vein. Area of the anal canal inferior to the pectinate line is developed from the ectoderm. Area of anal canal inferior to the pectinate line is supplied by inferior rectal artery. Area of the anal canal inferior to the pectinate line drains into which vein? Into the systemic veins. What is the nerve supply of the anal canal? So L1, L2 through the superior hypogastric nerves, S2, S3, S4 through the pelvic splanchnic nerves and the inferior rectal nerves are the nerve supply of the anal canal. What are the lymphatic drainage of the anal canal? So they are internal iliac nodes and the horizontal group of the superficial inguinal nodes. Anal canal develops from endodermal cloaca and the ectodermal proctodeum. Describe the internal anal sphincter. So it is involuntary and is formed by the circular muscles. It is situated in the upper 1/3 of the anal canal. The middle part of it corresponds to the pectinate line. The lower end of it actually corresponds to the Hilton's line. The internal anal sphincter is supplied by which nerve? By the superior hypogastric nerves. Now describe the external anal sphincter. So it is voluntary sphincter. It surrounds the whole of the anal canal and it has three parts, that is the superficial, subcutaneous and the deep parts. Which part of the external anal sphincter is not attached to the perineal body? Superficial part of the external anal sphincter is not attached to the perineal body. External anal sphincter is supplied by which nerve? By the inferior rectal nerve and the perineal branch of the fourth sacral nerve. Now describe the superficial part of the external anal sphincter. So superficial part of the external anal sphincter is elliptical in shape. It arises from the tip of the coccyx and the anococcygeal raphe and it is inserted in the perineal body. Which part of external anal sphincter contribute to the anorectal ring? So it is the deep part. Which part of internal anal sphincter contribute to the anorectal sphincter? So it is the upper part. Anorectal ring is formed by deep part of external anal sphincter, upper part of internal anal sphincter and the puborectalis muscle. Incontinence of the feces occurs due to damage of anorectal ring. Pectinate line is situated at the mid of the internal anal sphincter. Pectinate line corresponds with anal valves of Ball. and it forms the mucocutaneous junction of the anal canal. What is the location of the internal hemorrhoids? So they are located above the Hilton's line. It is present around the internal anal sphincter and is continuous into the superior rectal vein. What is the location of the external hemorrhoids? So it is located below the Hilton's line. It is subcutaneous and present around the external anal sphincter and is continuous into inferior rectal vein. What is the location of the primary internal piles? So 3 o'clock position, that means the left lateral position. 7 o'clock position, that means the right posterior position, and the 11 o'clock position, that means the right anterior position. So these three positions, that means the 3 o'clock position, 7 o'clock position, and the 11 o'clock position are the location of the primary internal piles. What is the nerve supply of the rectum? So sympathetic fibers from the L1, L2 and the parasympathetic fibers from the S2, S3, S4 are the nerve supply of the rectum. Okay, rectum. So today up till here, we will discuss about the further important notes and questions of the further important topics in our next video. Thank you so much.